Hey, how are you doing? You are here with Samantha Brown. Now, I've just literally finished a workout with my friend, and I was going through my emails, and I've just seen something that I had to share with you because for 24 hours only, Russell Brunson of ClickFunnels is reopening the 30 Days Summit, which means you can watch the 30-day plans and the interviews with 30 millionaires just for 24 hours. So he closed it last week and then got a load of stick from people that said that they couldn't fit in 10 interviews in one day, and then the 3 days back to back, they just couldn't see it all. So actually what he's done is he has totally caved and is reopening the 30 days for just 24 hours. So you've got literally 24 hours from now to go and watch all of these interviews of how to start again from scratch. If you have nothing, if you have no traffic, you don't even know what your product is, you've never done funnels before, it doesn't matter. Russell, his team have all written plans of how to go and basically go from zero up to getting it all back in 30 days. And I apologise that I'm not looking as polished as sometimes maybe I am, but I literally read my email and just thought, you know what, I've got to share this with everyone. I've got to let everybody know because it's free. It's totally free to go and watch the first interviews with these people. And all you have to do is head over and sign up. And if you haven't already, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the link to go to right now to make it as easy as possible for you. So there are like two tiers here. There's the free entry where you get to get all the plans, and I'm going to show you something actually that's really sad. So as I said, I'm out and about at the moment, but I've got my handbag with me, and I've got all the plans with me because every spare moment that I have, I'm looking through these plans, and I'm going to show you what I've been doing. Like, I've been highlighting and everything, and I've never highlighted in my life. Like, I'm the worst student. Like, I may have got straight A's, but I'm a really bad student. I don't go through books and do loads of learning. But with these things, they are so powerful that I've been highlighting all the common themes, writing on who's got like a coaching proposition, who's got a webinar. What else is there? There's product funnels. There's a girl who, I say girl, woman, who makes her own skincare, and she has got an over $1 million funnel through doing Facebook Lives and then getting everybody over into her her website and stuff. So like, there's nothing that you do that these guys haven't done, but they've just 10x'd it. And for literally the next 24 hours only, you can get access to all of the plans and the first interviews. And if you want to upgrade and take on Russell Brunson's One Funnel Away Challenge, which you get the hardback copy of the book, so what I just showed you, the actual real version, you also get my Get Facebook Famous course. You get a one-on-one strategy call with me, an hour business intensive where I'll go through what you're doing and see how we can apply Facebook marketing to that to absolutely reach your audience the best way possible. I'm giving away the chance to win a load of signed books. So I've got Grant Cardone's 10x Planner, Millionaire Booklet, Money, like loads and loads of books that have been signed and things. What else have I got given away there? Oh, I can't breathe because I've been working out and now I'm just so excited. But anyway, if you haven't signed up yet, get over to my link right now. 24 hours only. Russell's letting everybody in to see these interviews and download the plans because apparently so many people said that they couldn't get in time during the week when he closed it down. Like, you guys had a chance, but if you didn't manage to actually watch, today is the day you have to go and watch right now. And I just thought I had to share this with you, and so I've grabbed my phone. I'm still hot and sweaty from working out, but I just thought, like, you know, the clock has already started. It's already an hour in, so you've got 22 hours and 45 minutes left to go and watch 30 interviews with 30 millionaires where they literally break down everything that they do and how they'd get it back if they lost it all. I've never seen anything as amazing as this. I know that the like Russell Brunson made $1 million from this book funnel in 8 days, like just over a week. That's insane. I mean, can you imagine making $1 million in a week from a book? That's crazy. So like, you need to go and follow these guys. I know I say it all the time, but you have to go and learn from the best. And how can you measure who's the best? Well, let's have a look at what money they bring in. And every single person on the 30-day challenge has all made $1 million or more from one funnel at least. So they are definitely worth modelling, and they have broken things down in the most simple way I know how. And every interview is so powerful. Like, I've watched them all, and I've read the book, and I've highlighted the book, and I've rewatched a load of the interviews, and I'm literally having like light bulb after light bulb after light bulb. It's just amazing. And I'm going to be at Funnel Hacking Live next year with all of those guys. And I wish you could come with me. And if you're wondering how on earth you're going to get there, then just go and sign up for free right now at 30days.com. And you can, who knows what you can do in the next 6 months. Like, you could be there too. I mean, it's going to be absolutely amazing. So I want you guys to come with me. And for 22 hours and 40, probably 4 minutes now, Russell Brunson's giving you the chance to read and watch all of the interviews, and you can get my Facebook Famous course as well as my bonus to you and a load of other stuff. Go watch some of my other videos to find out exactly what's in there. And just to give you an example actually of how amazing people are doing already in my group. My challenge has been running for 5 days, so you can still catch up if you work. But every day I've been going live in my group, and I've been doing like 15, 20, 25 minute training, so not very long at all, and just one task for people to do. And already, so Stacey messaged me yesterday, and then she put up a post in the group as well, that she's already had 125 people asked to join her group just off the back of doing what I've been teaching her over the last week. And it's not even that much. There's still more to come. So if you want to know how you can get Facebook famous, how you can walk into a room at an event and everybody knows who you are, like, that's one of the most powerful things. Like, I had that when I went to GrowthCon, and I've been teaching people to do it, and they have it when they go to the big networking events, like the big conferences, and people already know you as the expert, so they come and talk to you rather than you having to hide in the corner and be on your phone. You can go and talk to everybody already, or they're going to be coming to you. Like, you won't even get to go to the toilet. That's how bad it is. But awesome as well, because everyone's going to come to you and want to be your customer already, because they already know you. You're Facebook famous. So get on over to the link right now. It's free. I don't know how much more I can tell you. Just sign up, it's free. And if you want to do the One Funnel Away challenge, you get a whole lot more lifetime access to all of the interviews. You get the behind the scenes. You actually get to see the real live websites. If you don't know what a funnel is, a website where people show you exactly what they're doing to make their millions. Like, nobody gives you access like this. I know mentors who talk about how they're going to give you everything. They don't. Like, even to their friends, they won't talk about how they do stuff, but these guys have, because you can see in their funnels, like, literally you can see their ClickFunnels account. That's just crazy. So get on over right now. Sign up. I can't urge you enough to do this because it's just so powerful. It can be free if you want it to be free. You can upgrade if you want lifetime access. If you want my Facebook Famous course, you can upgrade. If you want a one-on-one business strategy call with me, you can upgrade. If you want to win a signed Grant Cardone 10x planner, upgrade. If you want access to ClickFunnels for 2 weeks, then you can have that too. Funnel Builder Secrets Lite, which is their flagship course of how to actually build $1 million funnel, then that's in there. I'm trying to think what else is in there. My 10x Ambassador Secrets webinar, which I'm giving you away all the secrets I've learned from being a Grant Cardone mentee and part of the ClickFunnels $3 million sale as well. So just get over there now. I can't say any more. I've got to go. I'm too hot. Like, doing this after doing a workout is just too much for me. No. And I just hope you have an amazing day. And like, whatever you do, just go and sign up because it's free. It's going to be amazing. You can come and join some amazing people in my group. And honestly, like, what's the worst that can happen? And Darren, no, I don't, because I've been doing this for less than a year. So I don't have £1 million in the bank right now. But that doesn't matter, because it's about surrounding yourself with the right people who are trying to get there and learning from people who've done it. And all of these people have done it. And that's who I'm learning from. And I think you should be too. So I'll see you all soon. Have an amazing, amazing time. Bye.